In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this AboveTEK keyboard, wrist, and mouse kind of like holder right here. I like this. What it does, if you like me and you see how I have my hands, my wrists just kind of drop down like this, what this does, this is an adjustable kind of like leveler for your wrist, so there's no bend in your hand right here. And how it works, there's not much to it. That's all that's in there. And it kind of, I don't know what that looks like. Kind of looks like a little speaker, actually. I think there's a little set of instructions in here. If you're struggling setting this thing up, you don't even need a computer at that point. But going over it, here's how it works right here. It's got adjustment in the middle, and it can go in and out. So you got a 30-degree swing either way. So we'll set that down over there. So you're sitting here, and I know what you're thinking, like, well, how do I... As you see right here, if I want to use just on my keyboard, that's how it works. But what I like about this one, now my left hand's for my keyboard, my right hand's for my mouse. That's what I really wanted, was something that can actually accommodate both, to see how the mouse is right here and the keyboard's right here. If you're gaming, you're using usually these keys right here, and you're using your mouse a lot. And then if you just want to do a lot of typing, you can move it back in and type like that. And you know what? If you don't want it at all, fold it up and set it aside and go back to what you normally have until you need this again. Then you throw it out. And then once it gets up here, y'all see how it can turn. So if I want to turn in like that, that works like that. It's very high quality. I'm very impressed with this thing. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the AboveTEK, wrist, keyboard, rest. See y'all in the next video.